20 years ago, when you bought a brand sparkly new VCR machine, you would also get a thick instruction manual. Read this thoroughly before you start, the manufacturer would implore. There would be detailed setup procedures and troubleshooting guides. Most of us ignored the manual, just plugged it in and tried to figure out the rest. That's why we all had the blinking 12 o'clock on. Today, most new electronics now come with a quick start guide which has the most basic 4 or 5 steps to get your machine working, and then anything else you needed, you could reference the detailed instruction manual. Instruction manuals are just so much more useful this way. Well, I don't know much about VCRs, but I do know about type 2 diabetes. I could write an entire book about obesity, oh, wait, I did that already, or fasting or type 2 diabetes. But many of you will not want to go through the entire instruction manual. So this is your quick start guide for reversing your type 2 diabetes. A fully reversible disease. Most doctors, dietitians, and diabetes specialists claim that type 2 diabetes is a chronic and progressive disease. The American Diabetes Association, for example, almost proudly proclaims this on its website. Once you get the diagnosis, it's a life sentence. But it's actually a great big lie. Type 2 diabetes is almost always reversible, and this is almost ridiculously easy to prove. This is great news for the more than 50% of American adults who have been diagnosed with pre-diabetes or diabetes. Recognizing this truth is the crucial first step in reversing your diabetes or pre-diabetes. Actually, it's something that most people already instinctively recognize to be true. Suppose your friend is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, then works hard to lose 50 pounds. He takes himself off all his medications and his blood sugars are now normal. What would you say to them? Probably something like, "Great job. You're really taking care of yourself. Keep it up." What you wouldn't say is something like, "You're such a dirty, filthy liar. My doctor says this is a chronic and progressive disease, so you must be lying." It seems perfectly obvious that diabetes reversed because your friend lost all that weight. And that's the point. The disease is reversible. Click on the link above or below this video to get more info. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.